AI, types, working and application, and how we use Python programming in it. Artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed the technological landscape, enabling machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI can be categorized into narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks, and general AI, which has the potential to understand and perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. The distinctions between these types hint at a broad spectrum of applications, ranging from voice assistance and image recognition to complex problem-solving systems. The working of AI is underpinned by algorithms that teach computers how to learn from data. Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves training models on large data sets to recognize patterns and make predictions. Another important area is deep learning, which utilizes neural networks to process vast amounts of data, mimicking the human brain's interconnected neuron structure. By leveraging these techniques, AI systems can improve their performance with exposure to more data and experience. Applications of AI are endless and span across various industries. In healthcare, AI aids in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and even predicting patient outcomes. The financial sector uses AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and customer service through chatbots. Meanwhile, in manufacturing, AI optimizes supply chains and enhances quality control. AI's impact on everyday life is also evident in smart home devices and personalized recommendation systems on streaming platforms. Python programming plays a crucial role in developing AI applications due to its simplicity and rich ecosystem of libraries. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch make implementing machine learning and deep learning models accessible. They provide developers with tools to efficiently build, train, and deploy AI models without extensive coding. Furthermore, libraries such as scikit-learn offer pre-built algorithms for quick experimentation and prototyping. Python's versatility allows it to be used for tasks ranging from data analysis and pre-processing to model deployment and web scraping, making it the go-to language for AI development. By combining the robust capabilities of AI with Python's ease of use, developers can create innovative solutions that are transforming industries. As we continue to advance in the field of artificial intelligence, the collaboration between AI methodologies and programming languages like Python not only enhances the functionality of AI systems, but also accelerates the pace at which we can integrate and utilize these technologies in our daily lives. With ongoing research and development, the future of AI and its applications is boundless.